Just unplug that hose right there. This one goes plugged in there. This one is plugged in. Like that. Huh.
Why'd you put it in neutral? Just
started.
Oh, just to start? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I never would have guessed that.
Yeah. Alright. If you would climb on for me.
Póngase arriba.
Yeah, back up.
Y quita el freno. Pero quita el freno del de abajo. Y vaya para atrás. Un poquito.
Nice. Cut your wheels hard right. Yeah.
Oh, todo, todo, todo.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa.
Atrás. Atrás, para atrás. Wow. Ahí.
Make sure your hoses aren't bound up.
All right.
Make sure that they've got slack in them.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yeah. Man, you made that look super easy.
Practice.